AI cash cow. How people are making money with AI and how you can too. Let's be real, AI is everywhere right now. It writes, it draws, it talks, it codes. But here's the part people are really excited about. It's making money. A lot of it, and not just for tech giants. Everyday creators, freelancers, and entrepreneurs are using AI to build what you might call an AI cash cow. So, what does that even mean? What is an AI cash cow? Anyway, in business lingo, a cash cow is something that keeps bringing in money with minimal effort. Think of a best-selling book that keeps selling for years, or a software tool that people subscribe to month after month. Now apply that idea to AI. An AI cash cow is basically any AI-powered system, tool, or content stream that generates steady income. Once you set it up, it mostly runs on its own. Sounds good, right? Real people are already doing this. You might be surprised how many people are already cashing in. Some folks are using AI tools like ChatGPT or Jasper to create blog posts, ebooks, and newsletters in a fraction of the time it used to take. Others are using AI image generators like Midjourney to make art for t-shirts, posters, and digital products. There are even YouTube creators using AI to write scripts and narrate videos automatically. The result? Content that brings in ad revenue or product sales while they sleep. And it's not just individuals. Small businesses are using AI to build chatbots, automate customer service, or sell data insights. The possibilities are huge. So, how do they make money? Good question. Here are a few popular ways people are turning AI into income. Subscriptions. Build an AI tool and charge a monthly fee. Affiliate marketing. Use AI to create helpful content that recommends products. Ad revenue. Start a blog or YouTube channel with AI-generated content. Selling digital products, courses, templates, ebooks, you name it. And the best part? A lot of this can be automated. Once you've built the system, it doesn't need much babysitting. But is it too good to be true? Not exactly, but it's not magic either. There are some things to watch out for. The internet is already getting flooded with low-quality, spammy AI content, and people are getting pickier. Plus, copyright issues, ethical concerns, and even AI regulations are all becoming real challenges. The key: use AI responsibly and creatively. Think of it as a tool, not a shortcut. Want to start your own AI cash cow? Here's a super simple roadmap. Find a problem you can solve or a niche you love. Choose the right AI tool to help you create or automate something valuable. Launch something smaller, blog, product, YouTube channel, whatever. Let AI help you scale it while you focus on quality and engagement. Final thoughts, the bottom line. AI isn't just changing how we work, it's changing how we earn. Whether you're a side hustler, content creator, or aspiring entrepreneur, there's never been a better time to explore what AI can do for your income. It's not just tech magic. It's your next cash cow if you're ready to build it.